Morning everybody, welcome to the channel. It's an early Saturday morning and the wife and I are heading out to go on a cruise with the Mustang Club of Maryland. We're going to be touring Harper's Ferry and Boonesboro and some of the surrounding areas. Should be really pretty. It's supposed to be a nice day and we're going to get an early morning start here. So we're going to have to wake up the neighbors. Hopefully we won't wake up too many with the cold start this early in the morning.
Four-legged Helen. That's why I have it. Do you owe me money?
I'm good. I have enough here.
No, you don't owe me money. You sure? You sure you don't owe me money?
And the juggle with me. She said, "Well, we're married now. We can have kids." I said, "No, we can't." My name is Jason. This is Chuck. This is Heather and James, and we are going to be leading you all through this cruise this afternoon. We're going to go over some basic rules. I don't speak French. Listen, this is a nice, easy cruise. This isn't a race, all right? We're here to enjoy the weather, the scenery, so no burnouts or reckless driving, no speeding. If you get pulled over or you get into an accident, it's on you, all right? So drive really carefully, all right? We're going to stay in contact. I'm going to be in the front car in the red Mustang 2016. Chuck is going to be on the caboose, the dirty front.
Understand that reason.
I don't understand why
This is
50% off.
One.
Oh, a 50% off sale at a garage sale.
I know, that's what I mean, because, okay. All right, we're on the trail to the what? The first Washington Monument?
First monument dedicated to George Washington.
There you go. That's where we're going. Heading up there. Oh.
Car racing movie? It's like 11:30.
It's actually really hard to see.
Greenbrier Lake is like right over there.
That's mine.
Over the other side of that little hill.
That's mine.
Trying to get my alignment down. June 65. What is the color other than orange? It's performance red.
See, I called it red.
Thank you.
Shade.
Restaurant, I guess.
That lady isn't hiking all the way from the library. I think the library was a little further back, and yes, this appears to be a tiny restaurant.
Okay. So we just had an awesome lunch here at Bonnie's at the Redbird, so we just had an awesome lunch here at Bonnie's at the Redbird. We kind of inundated them, but they knew that we were coming and they took really good care of us. It was really good food, so if you're out this way, definitely stop by. They got really good food and it's pretty cheap. So back on the road, and I don't know where our next stop is. I haven't looked at the map yet, but we'll see you there. Alright, well that's the end of the cruise. We made it to Harper's Ferry. I think we're just going to turn around and head home. Right, hon?
Yep.
So we got to play tonight,
Yeah,
but
we'll play tonight.
we had a lot of fun. Lots of cool Mustangs. And we'll see you guys next time.
And some good video by me. Enjoy.
Yeah.